Hi guys, welcome to Tech Universe. On today's video, I'll take you through how to speed up your WordPress website and also increase performance and accessibility. Just like the one on my screen, before and after. Now let's dive in. Once logged in on your WordPress website, on the dashboard menu, tap on Plugins and Add Plugin. This video will be using a good plugin that can increase your website speed, performance and accessibility. Now on the search bar, you have to search for Server Finance. The spelling will be at the top of this video. Now all we have to do is to tap on Install Now and activate it. So just click on Activate. So I can tell you for a fact that this is the best plugin that can increase your website speed, performance and accessibility, because I've used this before and it's the best out there. Once installed and activated, on your WordPress menu you can now see Accelerator. Click on it and click on Settings. Now what we'll be doing here is to change or download the full version of this plugin, as the current one we installed and activated is on the cache side. Now click on download the free extended plugin version to download the full version of this plugin that can help you increase your WordPress website speed and performance. Now we have to click on the download for free to download the full version of this plugin. So yeah, I'm just going to click download for free and wait for it to download. Since it's downloaded, we can go back to our WordPress dashboard, go to plugins and tap on add new plugin. Now we have to tap on upload plugins and tap on choose file to bring out the file we downloaded for the plugin. Now we have to tap on the plugin and tap on open, then tap on install now. Click on activate plugin to activate the full version of this plugin. As you can see, we have activated the plugin. Now the next step is to set it up. Now go to Accelerator again and settings. Now we have to tap on begin setup wizard. We will be trying to set it up. For this, we tap on full functionality and tap next. Now you have to tap on start self diagnosis so that the plugin will automatically check if the plugin is compatible with your website settings and all. For this, I have an issue with mine, but for the sake of this video, for it to be fast and helpful, I will have to correct this or edit this later on. Now once you have checked it on and you find out that it's compatible, which it usually is, you just have to go and click on next. Now on this page, we have to tap on always AI score. You can click on always up to date content, but for this we'll be using always AI score. Now you have to click on next, and this page will be set according to your hosting strength. If you are using a shared hosting, you have to go and click on low, but if your hosting is strong and not a shared hosting, you can either click on high or medium. But my website hosting is a shared hosting, so that's why I'm clicking low. Now you have to scroll down and click on next. That's it guys. If you follow this video, every step in this video, your WordPress website will now be fully optimized and your WordPress website speed will now be top notch of at least 0.10. So guys, you can also browse through the entire plugin to find options that can help you more. We give the best, so please try to support us by liking, subscribing, and also, if possible, comment for more WordPress tutorials.